We love gaming, because gaming is awesome. But in the past few years, there hasn't been real innovation that would make a difference. That's why a small Budapest-based startup sat down to think and decided to shake up the gaming world. We unleashed PinkBasilisk. PinkBasilisk is a smart accessory that gives you a competitive edge in your favorite game. It also illuminates your room. Gaming mode. The Basilisk is made up of two towers that environ your screen. They read in-game data such as health, ammo, mana, and other variables. Burning flash or smoke can trigger distinct visual effects in real time. The only thing to focus on is the action itself. You don't need to check the stats ever again. You'll just know them. Ambient mode. Use PinkBasilisk as an ambilight and let it take the strain off your eyes by casting a halo of light around your screen. Play a game, watch a movie, do whatever. Your eyes relax. Audio visualization. The towers vibrate, pulse, and glow in sync with the BPM and the tone of your tunes. Customize anything. Make the Basilisk do your bidding. Customize it in any way you want with a smart controlling panel. Simple, effective, helpful.
We created PinkBasilisk to make it easier for the gamers to see in-game data.
PinkBasilisk is for everyone, not for just gamers. Really everyone who likes its cool design, its high functionality.
We are done with prototyping and now we need your support to get the guidelight for gamers into every house.
PinkBasilisk, the guidelight for gamers.
Meet the Ojo, the world's first microprojector and ultimate accessory for the Nintendo Switch. With Ojo, you can take your favorite Switch games and enjoy them anywhere on the big screen. Using the latest DLP-based DMD technology from Texas Instruments, Ojo emits a high-quality projection of your favorite games on screen sizes from 30 up to 120 inches. At just 172 by 80 by 70 millimeters, you can take it anywhere. And with its built-in 5-watt speaker, you'll get a rich, high-quality audio experience with deep, resounding bass. Connect any of your other devices to Ojo via HDMI. That's right. Whether you're gaming, working, or watching a movie, the Ojo is the only portable microprojector you'll ever need. Play your Switch anywhere. Ojo has a built-in rechargeable battery, allowing you to project for up to 4 hours. To keep cool, Ojo uses a vortex duct combination cooling system with 2 fans and a copper radiator to keep both the projector and your console nice and cold. So the only question that's left to ask is, where are you going to play next? Ojo.
first ever OMEN X laptop for gamers that go to extremes. Gear up with the machine designed for total domination and engineered for gaming in stunning 4K. Equipped with the latest Intel Core processors, it gives you the power to be relentless. With a 17.3-inch diagonal screen and desktop-class graphics, you get maximum performance to be victorious anywhere. With multiple fans and large exhaust vents, heat is transferred away from critical components for dynamic overclocking. Ramp up boot times, game loading, and overall system responsiveness with optional RAID 0 SSD configurability. An RGB LED backlit mechanical keyboard lets you program each individually lit key to create customized key maps that switch seamlessly between games. With 2.5mm travel and in-key rollover, you can take out your competition with more accuracy and precision. Designed for extreme immersion, DTS Headphone X technology comes built in for surround sound experience that puts you right in the middle of the action. With the addition of a VR headset, gamers can step inside a completely immersive world for an elevated gaming experience. Single-panel access to key components makes serviceability and upgrading easy, so you won't be sidelined or held back on your road to supremacy. It has a brushed aluminum finish on an armor-like chassis. A jet fighter-like construction with hidden lift hinges ensures you're always at the ready. And with striking lighting effects and see-through window to components, others will know too. Unleash your fiercest gameplay anywhere with the extreme performance of the new OMEN X laptop.